What's going on, everybody? Benji Kaiser here today talking about quitting Premiere Pro. And is it even possible to quit Premiere Pro? Because possibly, like me, you have been using Premiere Pro, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator for years and years. I've been using them for more than 10 years. And so you're wondering, okay, how is it even possible to quit something that I've invested so much time into? And I think it's only possible when the product becomes less valuable than your commitment to the product. What I mean by that is the product slowing you down, slowing your workflow down? Is it crashing constantly? Is it not as efficient, not as really revolutionary as it originally was? So when Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign came out, they were really the top dogs. I mean, they were the ones who produced this software for us to be designers, to be better photographers, to be web designers. I think of Dreamweaver as a product that web designers use. And so they were pretty much on the cutting edge. The issue that I see with Adobe is they've become bloated with focusing on other sectors of the market. So they're producing a ton of products for like easy, quick, cut together products. And so what happens is they pulled a lot of their focus away from Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and they're dumping all their resources into, well, for sure, their marketing suite. Their marketing suite makes them a vast majority of their market cap. And then also all these tools like Adobe Spark, I can't even name all of these random tools that I see pop up on my Adobe subscription every week telling me to download a new tool to try out. And I don't want a new tool. I just want them to make the tools that I use better and more efficient and faster. And so I've run into really laggy programs and programs that quit on me during the middle of what I'm working on. So over the past couple months, I've been working on a lot of computer videos for the channel, some computer reviews, and I do a lot of editing in those. I do a lot of the B-roll, I bring all that in, I splice it, I put motion into it, I bring in motion graphics, and what I found is a project that should take me about 2 to 3 hours takes me usually about 5 to 6 because the program crashes, or it's slow, or it's lagging. The biggest issue is crashing. I will be in the middle of an edit and I'll forget to save, because who saves every time they make a change? And then I'll lose 30 minutes to an hour of editing because I just forgot to save. I shouldn't have to remember to save. The program should not crash. I don't pay $52 a month, over $600 a year for a program to not work as it is promised. I'm not even saying that they need to make it better for $600 a year, though they should. What I'm saying is it needs to at least run to the expectations that it's given me for the past decade of my life. So really what I'm discussing here is it possible to make the switch? Are there products that you can jump into that will give you the quality, or what the quality used to be with Adobe, should I say, that we need as designers? So the two products I've been looking at is one suite for my design needs, which is Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher. I've done a lot of research on these tools. They seem like a very compatible switch. And then also DaVinci Resolve 16 is something I've been editing my most recent videos in. So some videos coming out on the channel are going to be all edited in DaVinci Resolve 16. This again is another extreme frustration because I'm having to learn a new tool in the midst of trying to grow my channel and continue to grow my career. And I'm really disappointed by Adobe for putting me in this position. They are a very large company, and to see their quality lagging so much is super disappointing. So the reason I'm putting out this video, first of all, is to just kind of raise awareness. I know one video isn't going to change Adobe's mind to try and improve their product, though they should improve their product. But I want to get other people thinking about making a switch, because you don't have to be stuck in the ecosystem. You don't have to be spending $600 a year for a product that is not delivering like it used to. I have no problems with Adobe in what they used to produce. They used to produce very good products that I was very satisfied with. But now it's no longer. So do you think my choices on Affinity Designer, Publisher, and Photo, as well as DaVinci Resolve, is a good switch? I have been satisfied with the switch so far. I'm gonna be coming out with probably some more tutorial videos, some how to switch from Adobe to these different tools. So as I get more comfortable in them, as I use them fully, I will definitely be coming out with those videos. One thing I'm doing right now is I'm in a transitional phase, so I have decided to cancel my subscription. I still have a few days left on the subscription, and so I'm slowly making those changes to confirm that yes, these are the programs I want to go to. Through my research, I found that the Affinity program is probably the best. Sketch is another good one that I've been using at the new position I have for a marketing manager. So I'm now working as a marketing manager. I do incorporate my design skills into that job role for some of those more refined tasks. Anyway, please comment below. I want to get your feedback. I hope this video gets some good traction because I really want to get some conversations going around this topic. I'm Benji Kaiser of benjikaiser.com. Thank you for participating in this quick rant video. Please let me know how you're feeling about Adobe in the comment section below. I'll see you here on the next episode.